Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Let's get started our today's lesson. It is about the retelling of the story. Students, week number 12 and planner number 86. Okay. Sorry, 89. Planner number 89. You have to retell the story, recall the story and then retell the story. So let's revise the story. Starter, Harry, look at it. If you have any idea about it, then you may discuss it with me through voice messages. Let's get revise the story again. Page number 63. Okay. A lion wandered through the forest. It was very hot and he was tired and thirsty. The forest was still in the noonday sun. The lion thought of the water hole and its cool water. He walked towards it. Elsewhere in the forest, a leopard had the same idea. Both reached the hole at the same time. When he saw the leopard, the lion stopped. "What are you doing here?" he roared proudly. "Lions, after all, are the kings of the jungle." The leopard coughed softly, as leopards do. "Who does he think he is?" he muttered to himself. Then cheekily and in a louder voice, he said, "I could ask you the same thing." The lion pretended not to hear this. "Step aside and let me drink," he commanded. "Well, why don't you wait till I finish?" said the leopard. "After all, I was here first." The lion was tired and thirsty. "Get out of my way," he roared. "Why should I?" said the leopard angrily. Okay, in the whole on this page they have discussed how the lion and the leopard met and how they discussed about the water and how they were angry at each other. Okay, come to the next page, page number 64. The lion was really angry. He lifted a powerful paw and aimed a blow at the leopard's head. The leopard was smaller, but he was quicker. He moved aside and sank his teeth into the lion's neck. They jumped this way and that. Their roars and grunts filled the air. The dust flew. They fought furiously. They were ready to kill each other. After a while, they stopped to get their breath back. Suddenly, they felt movement in the air above them. They looked up. There, high above them, they saw something that made them go cold with fear. Vultures, the big birds, circled silently and patiently. They could wait. It did not matter who won the fight, the lion and the leopard. In the end, the vultures would win. The two animals looked at each other. The same thought was in both minds. They said nothing. They got up and walked towards the water, and there, side by side, they drank. Okay, on this page, they have discussed how they were quarreling and how they just stopped their quarrel and why they stopped it, because they come to know that in a two persons fight, the third one wins always. So don't fight with each other, just solve your problems with sensible views and just compromise with each other and be calm and be sharing. Okay, stay blessed, learn it timely. Inshallah ta'ala, in the classroom we will discuss it.